Today I'm going to tell you about corrugated metal panels. They are lightweight, they come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. I will give you the history of where corrugated metal panels come from, the process of how they are made, formed, and some of the pros and cons of choosing a corrugated metal roofing system for your home. Some history of corrugated metal roofing is they were invented by Henry Palmer in 1829, who was a British architect that worked for the London Dock Company. They were originally known as CGI, corrugated wrought iron. The Turpentine Shed is the first building to be roofed by corrugated metal. It is described as the lightest but strongest for its weight. In 1849, iron buildings housed some 80,000 gold diggers in California during the gold rush. In 1880, corrugated iron was used for things such as cottages, churches, billiard rooms, laundromats, and hunting lodges. In 1916, Peter Neeson designed the semicircular section corrugated iron barrack hut for the British military. By the end of World War I, over 100,000 Neeson huts had sheltered over 2,500,000 Allied troops during the wars. During World War II, the British built 2 million corrugated iron air raid shelters in their gardens. In the disaster areas of many countries, metal sheeting is still the ideal material for use. In 1951, Prince Albert built a corrugated iron ballroom that is known today to be the oldest metal sheet building. There is an elaborate process when it comes to the making of corrugated metal panels. First, you have to run a metal through a coil rolling machine to acquire 29, 26, 24, or 22 gauge metal. Those are your standard sizes. Next is the hot dip galvanization. The coil is run through either molten zinc, which is G90 galvanization, or zinc and aluminum, otherwise called galvalume. Then it is run through a hot furnace with cooling tubes and ammonia gas chambers. This is known as the annealing machine. Next, you apply solar reflective primer and paint. Then the coil is sent through a roll former to make panels. The metal coil is fed into a roll former that makes a series of rolls and bends, each time bending more than the one before until the shape is acquired. Some machines are manual and others have a computer control unit that takes care of the machine operation speed, panel length, and the number of panels being fabricated. V5 crimp panels, R panels, mechanical lock profile panels, snap and lock standing seam panels, and snap and lock standing seam panels with a nail strip are the most standard style panels. 12, 16, and 20 inches are your standard widths of standing seam panels. Besides the corrugated metal panels, a roof takes much more to keep it watertight, such as drip edge, rake trim, valley pans, ridge cap, Z-bar, chimney and skylight curb flashing, and much more. Some pros of corrugated metal panels are they are much more durable than shingle roofs. They last 40 to 70 years. They're environmental friendly, 100% recyclable. They reflect away heat and can cut costs up to 25% during the summertime. They are also energy efficient. Some cons are they are more expensive and can cost up to 10 times that of conventional shingles. The installation is more expensive, and they can be dented during hailstorms or thunderstorms. They are also noisy during thunderstorms. As you can see, the pros majorly outweigh the cons. So for anyone tired of spending money and fighting with the headache of having to repair a leaking asphalt shingle roof, corrugated metal panels could be the solution to all of your problems.